Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I created this butterfly set using butterfly stickers. Okay, so I've already buffed and filed all 10 nails. Now I'm just going in with base gel. It's foundation from Gelish. This base gel only requires a 10-second cure, so I'm just going to cure in the lamp for 10 seconds. These are the tips that I used. I purchased them from Amazon. I will put a link in the description box below. Now I'm just going in with a layer of structure gel just to add a little bit more strength to these nails, and this gel is going to cure for 30 seconds in an LED light. The color I'll be using is called Juice Me by Young Nails. And then we're just going to cure in between layers for 1 minute. And then this is layer 3. I guess the second layer got cut out. Not sure what happened there. But this is layer 3, and with the third layer, I like to flip it the opposite way and then polish that way. Okay, and now we're ready to apply the stickers. Off camera, I put a top coat and then I buffed that top coat because when you use the stickers, they're not going to adhere to a shiny layer or a sticky layer or anything like that. You have to have it buffed so that way it's a rough surface and then the stickers will stick perfectly. I'm going to do one coat of top gel on the butterfly nails and cure for 30 seconds. And then when I pull it out, I'm going to do another coat on all the nails. That way the butterfly nails get 2 coats just to ensure that they're going to stay and they're going to last however long the nails last. And here's the final product. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.